Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today, we are sharing the top 5 Dewalt Power Tool Combo Kit deals. Let's get into it. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Power Tool Combo Kit with 2 batteries and charger, DCK240C2. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill, Impact Driver, 2-Tool Power Tool Combo Kit, Brushless Power Tool set with 2 batteries and charger included, DCK277D2. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max Atomic Cordless Brushless 2-Tool Compact Drill and Impact Driver Kit with 2 batteries and charger included, DCK225D2. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max 4-Tool Combo Kit. Kit includes 2 20V Max 2A compact batteries, charger, and contractor bag. DCKSS431D2. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit, 10-Tool Cordless Power Tool set with 2 batteries and charger, DCK1020D2. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!